In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this design from this portrait. So this is called a typography portrait, and you can use it for print on demand. You can use it for many different things. You can see this face has an encryption, an engravement of different words. You can see persist, strength, rise, focus, dream, achieve, inspire, grit, all of that. And all of this is done using Google Gemini Nano Banana. So the first thing we want to do is that when we come into Google Gemini, make sure to choose tools and click on create images. That is Google Nano Banana. Then we want to choose a particular image which we're going to be using for this design. I'm going to select this particular image. I'll open that. And then now that it's loading, I want to copy a prompt. I'll come here. The first prompt is turn this photo into a striking black and white portrait vector with black background, minimalist area and shadow blend seamlessly with the background, no gradient, no shading, no other color than black and white. Most of the area in this shadow, remove the body and leave only the head. So you copy this prompt. I'm going to leave it in the description and you're going to paste it here. And make sure it's on thinking so that it uses the Gemini 3 Pro. It's going to be a little bit slower, but it's going to do the work. So we're going to click on that and it's going to take a little time to do its thing. Now, mind you, this is a little bit slower, but it's faster. Now it tells me I can help with editing image, but I can't edit some public figures. So it thinks this is a public figure. Let me try this again. If it doesn't go, I'm going to use another picture. Let me try that. All right. You know what? I'm going to use another image. I'll just click. I've attached another image. I hope it doesn't give me. Okay, it's doing its work now. Now it seems to think this is a popular personality, maybe like a celebrity or something. I don't know. I got this from a stock photo website. So you can see it's gone ahead and changed this to this. And then we are going to give it the second prompt. So this is a black and white rendering of this particular image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and copy the second prompt, which is replace the white highlighted area of the picture with white typography text that is forming the shape. The theme of the text is you can replace this with any topic you want. In this previous example, I used motivation. Now, I'm going to use something else like, let's say, kindness. I will copy this and then I'm going to paste this here. And then I'm just going to say kindness, and boom, here we go. We're just going to wait a few minutes or a few seconds while it does its thing. It's a little bit slow, but one thing is sure, it's that it gives a better output than the regular Nano Banana, which we all knew before. So you see, this is amazing. This is amazing. If I click on this, you see, you can use this for print on demand. You can use this for, it just says kindness, 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 kindness. If you don't like what it did, you can come back and try to redo this. But in my case, I don't see any reason to do that because I feel like this is actually what we are looking for. So go ahead, use this. Use it for your own t-shirt designs, use it for mock designs, use it for print on demand, and then come back and share your results with me. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Peace.